advocates of justice and guardians of innocence.
We are deeply honored to present a poignant and impactful performance that sheds light on an important social issue, the girls' harassment in the society.
As we watch this performance, let us reflect the importance of creating a safe and supportive environment for our girls.
Please join us in welcoming our dancers to the stage.
Girls Harassment Dance. The participants are Manisha K, Swati S, Mayuri Sri KV, Mitra Sri KP, Thania S, Abhinaya S, Vibhishika R, Sanjana S, Kaviyarasi T, Varshika P, Sarvesh Abhinav AS, Ritish R, Tarun Karthik S, Kamesh S, Kuru Pragadish K, Jayam Prabhu P, Sivanandanan R, Sridev G, Ilankumaran S, Dishanti S, Bhuvanesh RV, Goshit K, Jaya Vishnu A, and Priyeshan SK.
எந்த குழந்தையும் நல்ல குழந்தைதான் மண்ணில் பிறக்கையிலே. அவர் நல்லவராவதும் தீயவராவதும் பெற்றோரின் வளர்ப்பினிலே.
What a powerful performance.